10K. You know, we're getting a lot of emails and different things saying, I am a reader, but I have all these people calling me and they're wasting my time, but they're really checking to see what I do. That's nice, because somehow if another reader is calling you and asking you questions, they don't have balance in their life. See, a true reader isn't going to call anybody. They're not going to, they might talk to you, they might do everything. That's why we have our own system. Now, in order for you to be on the island and experience everything good, why do you bother yourself with certain questions? Number one, there's an identity that when you talk to someone, you can figure out if they're looking for information, because in the beginning, they're starting off with, I am looking for a reading. Okay, where are you located? The first second that you call them out and say, where are you located, if they start to stutter, if they start to think about things, if they say, well, right now I'm on vacation, later on it turns that they're living someplace, you're going to identify that. That's why we teach you that, because their third eye is not fully awakened correctly, and their sacral's a little screwed up. Now, do you call someone out and tell them, well, you need laws inside your system? One of the biggest things is if someone really needs a reading, they're going to go with you virtually. They're in coronavirus. Why do they need to tell you that they need to come and see you? What's the use of it? It's the same thing. You understand? Some people use that as an excuse when they gotta go. Or one of the things is, let me talk to my husband, let me talk to my wife. See, these are different things that you gotta understand. So their heart is troubled. May they be free.
And all of this works together. No matter who you are, no matter what you are in, balance yourself. And have no fear, because another reader can detect fear like that.
So the thing is that they gotta understand, is it their fear? Are they trying to prove something? Are they trying to get information? Who cares? Just answer the call. But our rule is, when you call us, you're supposed to be telling the truth. So whatever question you ask, we're going to answer it, because there's something that's underlined in the question, even if it's just making it up, because the real person that's calling needs help someplace. And if you answer them correctly, they can't knock you. See, in our system, who can tell us that we're doing something wrong when we created that part that was given by a divine?
And you got to understand that everything is energy. There's no good and bad energy. There's only strong and weak in yourself. Sharing strength with others to empower others, not to question and not to bring anyone down or think that you're better. We're teaching a law of self with the 10K Yuj.
So you look at what is your path, and if you're a reader, then you need to emotionally detach from other people, that you don't get affected by their words. See, we're getting tons and tons of questions. I'm a reader, and sometimes I have to, after I work with someone, sometimes I have to debunk myself for 2 hours or 3 hours. I feel drained. Well, you're doing something wrong. You're doing something very wrong.
I can only take a certain amount of people because I feel weak and drained. No, why would you feel that way at all? It's inner strength. Build it.
Love yourself, and then you have protection. Contact us. We'll work with you. If you're a reader, now, our cards will help any reader. Doesn't mean that you will be qualified in our cards to read. It just means that it will help you, because you need an experience and you can't just do it in a weekend.
The 10K Yuj Tarot is a deck for all people, but it is for clarity of people that help people calling themselves readers or psychics or energy practitioners. Everything is energy. Gotta know you.
Whatever you're going through in life, most people say, well, I want an answer of what's going to be. Well, that's nice.
But anything can be.
Anything can be, and you can change within the next second.
Yes.
So the true reading is to see where you are, what you've been doing, how you've been disabling yourself, and understand that there is a line and it needs to be fine. Wipe the dust.
Define within yourself the blank card of endless possibilities and whatever you want to do, no matter who you are, what your age is, or where you're from. 10K Yuj Tarot. Blessings.